Technology is useless if it's complex, tricky, and expensive. This is why simple to install and affordable. Our smart home technology promises to make your living space more comfortable, more convenient, and more secure. We offer a Wi-Fi based technology. All you have to do is install our free-to-use app ENER-J Smart from Android or Apple Store. Pair our products with your home Wi-Fi, and ENER-J Smart app lets you monitor your home from your smartphone remotely, create scenes, group products together, and the best part, choose your own pace, maybe room by room according to your budget. ENER-J offers some amazing smart products.